Today I'm going to talk about how to play with sparklers. We use sparklers for every celebration. However, fireworks are dangerous. Lots of kids and adults get injured when they are using sparklers. Let's see how we can do this safe. First, don't touch or play with sparklers without an adult. Do not use fireworks inside the house. Use a stick or a support to hold the sparklers. Wear shoes if you can. Keep distance when you are using sparklers. Do not throw the finished sparklers everywhere. It's too hot. Always try to wash your hands after using sparklers. It's poison. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and be good.